Hi guys, today we are going to discuss logarithm and laws of logarithm. It is A level topic, and these are the rules we are familiar in the classroom, like log base ax plus log base ay. So log base ax plus log base ay equal to log base axy. Yeah, and next rule is log base ax minus log base ay equal to log base ax over y, and log base a x to the power k equal to k log base ax here. So if I want to give you one example on this, if it is log base a and here is 2 and this is log base a and 3, then you can write down log base a 2 times 3, that is 6 here. Similarly, if there is a minus sign here, like log base a 10 minus log base a 5, so then you can write down log base a 10 over 5 using this rule. Okay, now if it is like this rule, so let's show it here. Log base x to the power 5 and here is base a, so this 5 comes here and you can write down 5 log base ax. Okay, so these are the rules. Similarly, we can do these rules as well, like log base a 1 over x equal to log base a x to the power minus 1. Okay, and this minus 1 is coming forward, then you can write down minus log base ax. Log base a of a equal to 1, and provided a should be greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. If it is like this, log base 3 and 3, then also it is equal to 1. Similarly, log base a1 equal to 0. So a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. So these are the conditions for these two functions here, for this one and for this one. Apart from this, you must remember one more thing, like inverse of y equal to e to the power x is y ln x. So they both are inverse. So this y equal to e to the power x and y equal to ln x, they both are inverse function, right? So let's straight away do the questions and we will go step by step so that we can make this topic very easy for you. So let's start the question now. So first question is like 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. So we know this, like a to the power b is c, then you can write down b equal to log base a and c. So similarly, we start our journey from here, that is 5. So 5 equal to log base 2 and 32. Okay, so this is the rule which we are using here. Yeah, now if we see like this question, this is example 1. Now example 2, if you see question is like this, 5 to the power x equal to 8. This is 2 marks question and they have asked you can solve. So first I need to tell you one thing, like we can use log, we can use len. So they both are different. Log is always base 10 and len is always like log with base e. So this is the basic difference, we use it here. So if we say taking log both sides, so we can take len and log, it's up to you. So I'm going to write down here taking log both side, right? So when we write down like this, so it means we are putting log here. So a log 5 to the power x and then it is log 8 here. If you want, you can also write like this, len 5 to the power x and len 8 here. So using this rule, log x to the power 3, then 3 comes forward, then it will be 3 log x here. So this is the rule. So I'm going to use this rule now. So if x is coming forward, so that it will be x len 5 equal to len 8 and x equal to len 8 divided by len 5. Yeah, so if we take the calculator and we choose this option, yeah, this icon, so and put here len 8 and len 5, so then our answer comes, it is 1.2 1.2920. Okay, right? Now, yeah. So this was our first method to solve. We can solve this question in this way as well. So our question was 5 to the power x equal to 8. So using this formula, like a to the power b equal to c, so b is log base ac, we can use this one. So x equal to log base 5 and 8 here. Then in your calculator, you can choose this option. Okay, you can choose this option, put here 5, put here 5 and put here 8, and if you put this, then it also comes 1.2920. Okay, there's another way, like we have taken here len. If you want to take log, then also we can use the same method, that is third method. So it's up to you entirely which method you use it. So we have used here len, now we are using log here. So it is log 5 to the power x equal to log 8. So from here, if you see, so let's write down here log 5 to the power x equal to log 8. So using this rule, 3 comes forward here. So this x is coming forward. So it will be x log 5 equal to log 8. So from here, you can write down x equal to log 8 divided by log 5. So if you choose this icon in your calculator and put log 8 and log 5 here, so then also you get 1.2920. So it's up to you. I have shown you three methods here: method 1, method 2, method 3. So you can use this is first method, this is second method, and this is third method. You can choose any method to answer your question. Yeah, let's go for another question. So another question is like 5 to the power 2x minus 1 equal to 3 to the power x plus 1. Yeah, so let's take log both side, taking log both side. So let's do it. So log 5 to the power 2x minus 1 equal to log 3 to the power x plus 1. So using this rule, log x to the power k, then this k comes forward, so it will be k log x. So we are using this, so it will be 2x minus 1. This 2x minus 1 is coming forward, so equal to log 5, and here this x plus 1 is coming forward, so it will be x plus 1. Let's write down in a bracket, so it is log 3. Okay, now we can multiply log 5 inside, so it will be 2x log 5 minus log 5, multiply log 3 inside, so it will be x log 3 and plus log 3. Okay, now we need to make x as a subject, so collect all x from one side, so we can bring this x log 3 this side, and we can bring minus log 5 this side. So then we can write down 2x log 5 minus x log 3 equal to log 3 plus log 5. Okay, now if we take x common, so it will be 2 log 5 minus log 3 equal to log 3 plus log 5. Now divide by 2 log 5. So this thing, the 2 log 5 minus log 3, you divide it here. So let's divide it. So we can write down x equal to, so let me scroll down a little bit. So x equal to, this will be log 3 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 5 and minus log 3. Yeah, so again you can choose this icon of your calculator and put here log 3 plus log 5, and here you put 2 log 5 minus log 3. So once you put this value in a calculator, it comes 1.277. 1.277. And if you they are asking to one decimal place 1 dp, then you can write down here, because after one decimal place here is 2 and number next to 2 is 7, so you can write down here 1.3. Nice and easy. So our next question is 5 plus log base 2 2x minus 5 equal to log base 2 5x minus 42. Okay, so what we can do, let's shift this term log base 2 2x minus 5 this side here. Let's bring it on the right hand side of equal sign. So what happens, 5 equal to log base 2, I'm writing this term, log base 2 5x minus 42 minus log base 2 2x minus 5. Yeah, and we know this rule, like log base am minus log base an equal to log base a m over n. This is our rule. So using this rule we can write down 5 equal to log base 2 5x minus 42 divided by 2x minus 5. Yeah, divided by 2x minus 5. So this line is not here. Yeah, log base 2 2x minus 5. So using this rule, log base a m over n. So log base 2 5x minus 42 divided by 2x minus 5. Yeah, now we know one thing, a to the power b equal to c, then you can write down b equal to log base ac. So here is base 2, so this we can write down 2 to the power 5 equal to 5x minus 42 divided by 2x minus 5. So it is 2 to the power 5, 5x minus 42 divided by 2x minus 5. So 2 to the power 5 is basically 32. So it is 5x minus 42 divided by 2x minus 5. Yeah, let's cross multiply 2x minus 5 here with 32 and 1 with this. So once you multiply 32 with 2x minus 5, 32 times 2x is 64x, and 32 times 5 is 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 15, 160, and equal to 5x minus 42. Okay, now this we can write down 64x minus 5x 160 minus 42. 64x minus 5x, that will be 59x, and 160 take away 42. So 10 take away 2 is 8, 5 take away 4 is 1, so it is 118. So divide by 59 both sides, so x we got 2. So this is your answer, x equal to 2. Let's see another question now. So our next question is 4, 3 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 17, 3 to the power x minus 7. Please pause the video and have a go, and then you can check your working against my working. Please pause the video. Welcome back if you have tried. So now you can check your working. So it is 4. 3 to the power 2x, you can write down 3 to the power 2x times 3. Question comes why? Because we know a to the power m times a to the power n, you can write down a to the power m plus n. So 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power 1, you can write down 3 to the power 2x plus 1. So similarly here is 17, 3 to the power x minus 7 equal to 0. Now let's see, and this 3 to the power 2x, this 3 to the power 2x, you can write down 3 to the power 2 and outside x, or you can write down 3 to the power x and outside 2. Both are same. So let 3 to the power x is y. So if you put y, so this 4 and 3 multiply, it will be 12, and here it will be 12y square, because 3 to the power 2x you can write down 3x square, so 3x is y, 12y square, and it is 17y minus 7 equal to 0. Now if we factorize it, then we get 3y minus 1 and 4y plus 7 equal to 0. So let's draw a line here. So if 3y minus 1 equal to 0, it means y equal to 1 over 3, and here y equal to minus 7 over 4. These are the two values we got it, yeah? But we need to find x. Answer is coming in y. So we need to convert it in the form of x now. Okay, so basically what was y? Y was 3 to the power x. So let's write down here y was 3 to the power x. It is 1 over 3, and here 3 to the power x is minus 7 over 4. So using this rule, a to the power b equal to c, you can write down b log base ac. So here you can write down x equal to log base 3 and 1 upon 3. Log base 3 1 upon 3, this you can write down log base 3 and 3 to the power minus 1, and that should be equal to minus 1. Question comes why it will be minus 1. So you know, log base a to the power minus 1, this minus 1 comes forward, so minus 1 log base a, and this value is 1, so minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. So this is your answer. Now if you see 3 to the power x equal to minus 7 by 4, so here will be x equal to log base 3 and minus 7 over 4. So here, because it is negative number, so we'll get no solution. Okay, nice and easy. Now let's see another example. So here is another question for your practice. Please pause the video and have a go, and then we'll check the solution together. Yeah. Welcome back if you have tried. So this we can write down 7x to the power 2, and this is plus 12, and here it is 7 to the power x, and this you can write down 7. Okay, now 7x, let 7 to the power x is y, so this we can write down y square plus 12, and this will be y, that is 7y. So it will be y square minus 7y plus 12 equal to 0. If we factorize it, then we get y minus 4 and this should be minus y minus 4 and y minus 3 equal to 0. So same thing we got here, y equal to 4 and y equal to 3. But we need answer in the form of x, not y. So let's put y equal to 7x again. So 7x equal to 4, and here 7 to the power x equal to 3. So once you solve this, 7 to the power x equal to 4, so it will be x equal to log base 7 and 4, and use this icon of your calculator log, yeah, and put 7 here and 4 here, and then this will give you value 0.7124, yeah, 0.7124. If they are asking answer in 3 significant figure, then you can write down 0.712, that is 3 significant figure. Yeah, now next value will be here x equal to log base 7 3. So x equal to log base 7 3, and if you put this value in this icon like log base 7 3, then you will get 0.5645. Okay, and then you can write down 0.565 for 3 significant figures, 0.565, that is for 3 significant figure. Nice and easy. Let's go for another question. So this is your exam question. Here it is given log base 5x equal to a and log base 5y equal to b. Find in terms of a and b this value, log base 5 x square equal to y. So what we need to do here, log base 5 x square equal to y. So this you can write down here, log base 5 x square minus log base 5 and y. Yeah, so this 2 comes forward, that you can write down here 2 log base 5 x minus log base 5 y, and 2 log base 5x is given here a. So let's write down here 2a minus b. So this is your first part in terms of 2a minus b. For second part, what we can do here, this you can write down log base 5 25 plus log base 5x, and this is square root y. Square root y means log base 5 root y. Root y, square root y means y to the power half. Yeah, so once you write down this, so this can convert log base 5, that is 5 is square, and this is log base 5x plus log base 5 y, and this 1 by 2 is coming forward here. Yeah, so this 1 by 2 is coming here. So, and this 2 is coming here, so this you can write down 2 log base 5 plus log base 5x plus half log base 5 y. So log a over a is 1. Yeah, so this will be 1, so it will be 2. Log base 5x is a, so this will be a, and this will be half, and this will be b. Log base 5y is b. So 2 plus a plus half b. Yeah, so this is your thing. Now it is given they both are equal to 1. So if you see log base 5 x square y is equal to 1, and log base 25 x root y is equal to 1. So they both are equal to 1. So it means this 2a minus b and 2a plus a plus half b, it should be equal. Yeah, so let's equate these two equation, these yellow equation we can equate. So if we equate them, okay, so it will be 2a minus b equal to 2 plus a plus half b. Yeah, if we solve them, then we get 2a and a will be cancelled. A equal to 2 plus 3b over 2. Yeah, now if you multiply by 2 both side, then we get, so if you multiply by both side, then we get 2a equal to 4 plus 3b, and then we can rearrange it, and it will be 2a minus 3b equal to 4. Yeah, so this will be a relationship between a and b. Yeah, so they were asking from simultaneous equation in a and b. So this will be the equation. Yeah, now we need to show a is minus 0.25 and find the value of b. So this is what we are going to do now. So let's find the value of a and b first. So we have equation 2a minus b, that is equal to 1. Yes, and this one is 2 plus a plus half b. Yeah, so, and here we got 2a minus 3b equal to 4. So let's solve the equation simultaneously. So like 2a minus b equal to 1, that is first equation, and from here it is 2a minus 3b equal to 4. Yes, so let's simplify it. Yeah, so let's cancel 2a, so change the sign, then this will be minus, this will be plus, and this will be minus, so this is cancel, and we got 2b equal to minus 3, and b is minus 3 by 2. Now if we put b minus 3 by 2 in this equation, 2a minus b equal to 1. Yeah, so let's put it. So 2a minus b equal to 1, and here we are going to put b is minus 3 by 2. So it will be 2a plus 3 by 2 equal to 1, and once we solve it, we get 2a equal to 1 minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2. So we get 2a equal to minus half, and a is minus 1 over 4, and a is minus 1 over 4, that is minus 0.25 here. So this we need to show, a is minus 0.25. Is that right? So let's see what is the other part. They are asking calculate to three decimal place here. Three decimal place the value of x and y, and before that show that a is minus 0.24 and find the value of b. So this is what we have done. Now we need to calculate the values of x and y. Yeah, so let's solve this. So for this part, we know this log base 5 uh, x square over y equal to 1. So it means x square over y is 5 to the power 1, that is 5, and we will have x square equal to 5y. Okay, now another equation, that is log base 5, it is 25 x root 5 x root y, that is equal to given 1. So it will be 25 x root y equal to 1. Okay, so 25, and this 5 to the power 1 becomes, so this is cancelled, this we can write down here 5. Now it means x root y, 5 divided by 25, it will be 1 over 5, 1 over 5, and if we do squaring both sides, so it will be x square y is 1 over 25. So x square y is 1 over 25. Now x square is, if you see, x square is 5y. So put this x square here, 5y. So it will be 5y square, right? So it will be 5y square, which is equal to 1 over 25. And if we simplify it, so it will be comma y square is 1 over 125. 25 times 5 is 125, and we take the square root of this, so y will be 0.089. 0.089. Now x square was 5y, so x square was 5y, so x square is 5 times 0.089, and x will be square root of this here, 5 times 0.089, and answer will be 0.667. 0.667. So that will be your answer. Let's go for another question. So in this question, it is given that a and b are positive constant, and solve the simultaneous equation. A is equal to 3b and log base 3a and log base 3b equal to 2, and give your answer as an exact number. So it is total 6 marks question. So could you please pause the video and have a go? Sorry, it was an error little bit. So there was couple of seconds, there was gap. So if you see another question here, show that the graph of log base 10y against log base 10x, and it is a straight line passing through the point 2, 8 and 0, 2. Find the equation relating to 10 to the power y and 10 to the power x. Yeah, this is your question. Please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. So first we are going to find the gradient. So gradient, we know that it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is our value x1, x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. So if we find the gradient, so it will be 8 minus 2 and 2 minus 0, so it will be 6 over 2, and 6 over 2 is 3, so gradient is 3. Now we know equation of a line is given by y equal to mx plus c. So this is our equation of a line. So in this case what we happen, so y is basically log base 10y. So let's write down here log base 10y. So this is log base 10y, and gradient m is 3, and x is log base 10x. So it will be log base 10x, and constant is c. Yeah, so constant is c. So if you see, c is always the value here on the y-axis. So here it is c is 2. So we can write down c is 2. So our answer will be log base 10 y, here log base 10 y, and this is log base 10 x cube, and that is 2. If you bring this term this side, so it will be log base 10 y minus log base 10 x cube equal to 2, and this you can write down log base 10 y over x cube equal to 2. Okay, so this we can write down here, y over x cube equal to 10 to the power 2, that is 100, and y equal to 100 x, sorry, 100 x cube. Nice and easy. So this is the way we solve these type of questions. Now here are the three practice questions, and you need to try these questions. Solve ln 3x plus 1 equal to 2, and e to the power 2x plus 5 e to the power x equal to 6, and solve 2 to the power x e to the power x plus 1 equal to 3, and give your answer as an exact value. Please pause the video and have a go. So welcome back guys. If you have tried this video, so you can see your solution against my solution I have already solved. So here you go. So these are the solution for these questions. Please check your working. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you have liked, if you have any comment, please write to me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. It is Genius Making Machine, GCSE and A level maths. Thank you once again. Bye bye.